Hello, for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add Facebook and Twitter to your campaign platforms. So from your dashboard, you will navigate to Campaigns, click on My Platforms. To the top section, you will click on Add New Platform. You can navigate this drop down to select the different platforms. So here we'll start with Twitter. Before you start, ensure that your pop-ups are enabled. You click Authorize using Twitter. A pop-up will appear. You enter your credentials, username and password, then you click sign in. As you can see, added new to the campaign platform. For Facebook, you'll do the same. Click add platform, hit the drop down, click Facebook, then you're gonna click continue with Facebook. This will also pop up and ask for your Facebook credentials to log in. After you've entered your Facebook login, it will then ask you what pages you'd like to enable Pupsai on. For this situation, we'll be using a demo account. After you've clicked the page you'd like to enable Pupsai on, you can then proceed to click done and click OK.